Hey everyone, how are you guys? Welcome to another video. We're doing a beauty haul. So I have makeup, skincare, nail products, like the works. And most of it is PR, so this technically is a PR haul, but there's like some products that I purchased myself that I just want to show you because it would fit in this video. So before we get into it, I do want to thank you guys for still continuing to watch. And please give this video a thumbs up if you want more makeup videos like this. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't. People don't subscribe anymore, and it's, I don't know, YouTube is changing so much, but if you could subscribe, if you enjoy my content, that would be great. I also have a budgeting channel, an Instagram, a TikTok, all of it. Everything will be linked down below, but let's jump into today's PR beauty makeup haul. I'm gonna quickly show you guys the things that I purchased myself, and there's only like a handful of products here, but some makeup items that I've featured in videos before but haven't really shown you. L'Oreal True Match Nude. I love this. This is probably my third bottle, and I can't get over how just natural and pretty it looks. I'm wearing it right now. It looks like skin. They have a bunch of colors, and a little goes a long way. It has great coverage, but I just love how natural it looks, and I get compliments all the time when I wear this. The next one you guys have seen in my recent Get Ready With Me video, my dating story time. You guys love that video. I have another dating video coming up soon, so yeah. Stay tuned, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you guys know when I post that. But the Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator, I have this in two colors. I just have one here to show you guys. I have medium tan, and this is really great for something affordable. It's like $5-6 at Target, and yeah, it's great for like everyday wear, really light and natural. It's like a tinted moisturizer, but it has good coverage. Okay, the next few things I have are from the brand Kiss, and I purchased both of these at Target, I think. Yeah, Target, but Ulta also has them. So I picked up this a while ago, and I'm sure you guys have seen this all over the makeup space, on TikTok, Instagram, all of it. It's the Kiss Falscara. So these are pretty much like lash extensions, but you can do it at home, and it comes with everything: tweezers, bond, lashes. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I've already used this. I used some of the lashes, and I'm gonna do a video for you guys. I really like the idea of this, and there is a learning curve. So I've already tried this, and I kind of messed up, so I want to get a little bit better at it, give you guys some tips, and I'm going to do like a full demo here. But it's a really great option if you want an affordable way to get like the false lashes that last longer than like a night. So next thing I got from Kiss from Target are these Halloween nails. I love Kiss press-on nails. I think they're affordable, they're great, they're accessible. You can get them right at Target or Ulta or drugstores. I have a really long story about my nail journey. You guys know I used to get my nails done all the time. I have become allergic to like gel polish, LED lights, like all of it, and my nails have been suffering. I've been trying to let them breathe now and then, so when I do want something for an event, or if I'm going out, I will do press-on nails. I swear by these. You guys know I love the static nails, but Kiss is just affordable. So if you guys want a story time on like what has happened with my nails, I can do a video on that. It's just such a long journey and story, but these have been lifesavers for like weddings, parties, anything like that. So I have a box of skincare here, and I'm really excited about this because this is from the brand Versed, and you can get this at Target. Again, I love brands that are accessible, because you can just go into a store, feel it, try it, whatever, and you don't have to order it, even though I love online shopping. So they sent me a little package, and they sent me this like little headband for, you know, skincare, just to like keep everything out of the face. Obviously I'm not gonna put it on right now because I have my hair curled, but it's a really nice headband for when you wash your face, just to have everything out of the way. Okay, and they sent me 4 products. So the first one that they sent me is their cleanser, their Wash It Out Gel Cleanser with ceramide and rose water. Love it. I love the consistency, I love the feeling. There's no crazy fragrance to this. It's a gel cleanser, but it's not too thick. It's like that thinner, just slippy consistency. And what's great about all the Verse products is that they're like vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, dye-free, all of it. So it's clean skincare and you can get it at Target. Like, affordable, hello. Dew Point Gel Moisturizer, Dew Point Moisturizing Gel Cream, sorry. I actually heard about this from my friend Natalie. She picked it up at Target and tried it and said it was good. And I was with her shopping at Target one day and she picked up another one of these and I was like, oh, you must have liked that. It has green tea extract and aloe, so love that. Then I have the Versed Weekend Glow Daily Brightening Solution. So this is going to be like your toner type deal. Love their packaging and yeah, no complaints on that. This product I haven't tried. This is their gentle retinol body lotion. This actually has been going around TikTok quite a bit, so I'm excited to try it. I just haven't tried it yet. I have so many body lotions and moisturizers that I'm using right now, but it's a gentle retinol one. It helps refine uneven texture and to tone the skin. It has squalene, cocoa butter, retinol in it, so I'm intrigued. If you've tried this product or any of these products, let me know your thoughts, but I'm curious. If you guys want an update on this, let me know. But that is everything from Verse. So I did receive a few packages from Kiss, and you guys know I love Kiss. I literally just showed you 2 products that I purchased from them. So I love their nails and they have great lashes and stuff as well. So I got this package and it says the Lash Couture Masterpiece Luxe Lash. So I have the mink-like lashes here and I don't know what the styles are. Hold on. Pret-a-Porter is this one here. This one's really full and the band is a little thicker, so I'm intrigued if I'm going to like these or not. I also have Avant-Garde, which is super fluffy and full. These look intense. These might be great for me for Halloween or like an event, but super beautiful nonetheless. And then the last one from the Luxe collection that they sent me was Haute Couture. So all of these look so pretty. If you are a lash fan and you like the full big lashes, you're gonna love these. These are so pretty. The packaging is really nice as well. You know I'm more of like a natural lash type of girl. I love like wispier type of lashes, but I'm willing to give these a shot if you want me to do a look, like a heavier look on these. They also end up sending me some glue. This is in black. They're Super Flex Lash Adhesive for strip lashes, and they sent me their latex free clear. All right, and then after I received that box of lashes from Kiss, they sent me another box, but I've used some of these already, so just keep that in mind. I have a bunch of their Impress color nails. Now this is a line that's also owned by Kiss, but they are the ones with like the sticker adhesive. Pretty in pink. This one is Champagne Pink. And then this one is Midnight Drive. So look how cool and fun these are. These are a little bit of a shorter length for me. All of these are in short. I typically go for a medium, but if you like a shorter look, this would be great. And they sent some long and medium versions of their press-on nails, and these here are the gel and this is the velour. So the Kiss gel press-ons are probably one of my favorites. They come with the sticker adhesive like you get in these Impress ones, but they also come with the glue. I like nail glue. I'm a fan of it. I think it lasts pretty long on me personally, so I'm so excited to receive some of their gel versions. They're my favorite, I swear. So these I obviously used already, but their gel versions are a little bit thicker and I think they hold up better on me personally, and they're just like a thicker material, so they're not gonna bend and crack as easy as like other press-on nails. But yeah, I used this one already. It's like a pretty like pink color, and then this one here is like a mauvey purpley color. Then these, I've never tried their velour line. I'm not really sure what that means, but it's the Velour Fantasy magnetic powder effect. But these are a pretty silver color, so that's gonna be really fun to try. And then they sent me a bunch of lashes, which I'm gonna turn into a lash girl. You guys know I only wear lashes on special occasions, but you never know. So they sent me their new lash glue eyeliner. So I think these are gonna be really great for people who don't work well with regular lash glue. Sometimes it can be a little difficult, even for myself. So I'm So excited about this. So you can get this in clear or black, which I think is such a cool concept. You put the liner on and then you pop on the lash. And then we have the Kiss Magnetic Eyeliner in the style Charm. You guys know I've tried this before. I have a full video on it. I'll link it down below, but you guys really enjoyed that video of me trying this on for you guys and doing a demo. So they sent me another, which is nice. They sent me some Sister Nature lashes, fluffy and wispy, 100% natural hair. So that's interesting. Then I have some of their lash coutures in chiffon, really big and fluffy. I have Royal Silk, which is again nice, big and fluffy. We have Lash Drip. These are dramatic, so I might try to wear these for like Halloween or something, but these are like super dramatic. And then I have the XL, Triple Push-Up XL. These are humongous. I don't know if I can wear these, but we can try them if you guys want me to. And then another lash couture in Matte Sheer, which is a matte black, the Faux Mink collection. So tons of lashes, tons of Kiss press-ons. I'm so excited about these. I love these, you guys. I can do another video. I don't know if I've done a full video on Kiss press-ons, but I can because they're so good. And then a package of skincare from Good Molecules. So let's go into this first because let's do some skincare. The Discoloration Correcting Serum looks like this. I've heard really great things about Good Molecules. You can get this at Ulta, so again, super accessible, but this is going to be great for any kind of discoloration, dark spots, anything like that, scarring, so I'm excited to try that. And then they sent me their Niacinamide Brightening Toner. Niacinamide is really hot right now. It's great for brightening, so that looks like this. And again, love their packaging, glass bottles. I also love the darker jars. Anything in a darker jar is really going to protect your skincare products from any kind of heavy sunlight, stuff like that, so it doesn't go bad as fast. This here is their silicone-free priming moisturizer, so I'm excited to try that out. I'm going to try this out once I finish up the other primer that I'm using. I love a good exfoliating product. You really need to exfoliate the skin because dead skin just sits on the surface, and you really want that fresh new skin all the time for that smoothness, and it gets rid of texture. So they sent this product over, so I'm really excited about this. AHAs and BHAs. I love all of this. Okay, and the last package I'm going to show you guys is from Limecrime. I have not used Limecrime products in years. Limecrime was very popular way back in the day, but they kind of died down. They had some drama, and then I believe they were bought out. So yeah, let's see what they sent over. I did do some Instagram, you know, reels and stuff on this, but I can do an in-depth video here if you guys want it. I have one of their eyeshadow palettes, the Limecrime Venus eyeshadow palette. Now this palette is not something I would purchase myself because it's super smoky and it's super cool toned, but I think that's kind of fun to have in my collection because I don't have palettes like this. Then I have here one of their Velvetines. I've tried this product years ago and I like it. I think it's a good product, and I got the color in Wicked. So I believe this color is like a dark red. Yeah, it's like a really vampy color. It's gonna be great for winter time. So I'll probably try to, you know, throw this into like a video on here or on Instagram. Then I got the Soft Touch lipstick. I've never tried one of these. It's super velvety and really smooth. So I've already tried this and it's good. I don't know if it's amazing, but it's good. Also, I think there is a 20% off coupon that they shared with me to share with you guys. So I will leave that here on the screen if you guys want to check out any of these products. Now, this product I didn't try, but I'm so intrigued. It's their Freckle Pen. So freckling is very popular right now. So if you guys have been wanting to try the freckling trend, oh my gosh, I can't even open this. It's like a big fat marker and you just kind of like put freckles on. Do you guys want a video on this? I don't know. I have natural freckles, so it did send me a lip liner, which is in this red color, super pretty. Again, check out my Instagram because I have a reel of me putting that on and wearing it. Their black liquid liner, their Venus liner. This is okay. It's a brush tip, and I'm I'm not used to like brush tips anymore. I like a liner pen. You guys know me, I'm a liquid liner pen girl, but if you like a brush tip, this one's actually really black and it wears decently. I've already tried that. And then I have a Bushy Brow Pen, which is nice. It's like a brow marker. I've also used this as well and it's actually good. That's what it looks like here. And it's just like a little marker tip. So I like it. It works really well if you want that like fluffy eyebrow look. And then I got a lip gloss. They're wet cherry lip gloss. And I love that they sent the clear. I love me a clear gloss. It smells like cherries, if that's what your thing. Super shiny. Actually, let me put some on because my lips aren't as glossy. Like, look how shiny and pretty. Super smooth, not so sticky, which I like. So that's the Wild Cherry. And then they sent me this Ghost Veil Liquid Lipstick Primer. Have not used this. It's like, it's supposed to help with your liquid lipsticks to stay on, all of that. But it's a primer base for your lips. But yeah, they sent that over as well. So I think that is everything that I've received recently and purchased. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want individual videos on anything that you saw today, please let me know. I hope you guys stick around and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I'm really active on there, and TikTok. I'm trying to get better. But also check out my budgeting channel and my shop. I have like an online budget stationery store. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!